Our YouTube update. Still got the GMC Yukon Denali, something new. I'll put headers in it. I got these from Texas Speed and Performance. I just installed them yesterday. As you know, that LS engines, right back here where my finger is, these back bolts on the back of the header, they're notorious of snapping off. So I ordered Crawl Performance like brackets to hold those headers down. I try to tap it. I try to weld it with my little flux core welder, but it wouldn't come off. But luckily it's flat to the heads, so I just ordered that. Hopefully, I started it up earlier. No exhaust leaks from the header. I have small ones that I just fixed. If you don't know, I ordered the Speed Engineering X pipe. If you can see it right down here, right there, Speed Engineering X pipe. I only O2 sensor. I put that O2 sensor, the one right there. I put the bolt that comes with Speed Engineering's bolt. Usually it comes right here. I couldn't fit the O2 sensor there, so I just plugged that one in, put in there. I have HP tuners tuning capabilities, so I deleted the second O2 sensor, bank 2s, don't know codes, and I still have my dual flow master 10. It's super loud. I welded my own. If you see the little crappy welds, hey, I do everything myself, saves me money. It is still dumped. It is super loud. I might go with the Borla XR1 exhaust to quiet it down, but that's the update. It's in the air. If you don't know, it's my other project, Silverado. But yeah, this side, passenger side, pain in the ass to get in. Having my wife help me out. There's just the transmission lines in the way. But yeah, we made it work. This side, super easy. I see some videos that you had to take out the shift linkage right there. Didn't have to do that. I just removed the spark plugs, popped it back in, and yeah, that's the update. Once I get those brackets in tomorrow, I'll start her up so you guys see what it sounds like. See right back there. If you can't see, there's no bolt. I got ARP head bolts from Texas Speed and Performance. They it's extra, like I think $40. Order those. I liked it. It took 3 weeks, so give it time. If you order from TSP, they're super helpful. Every time I emailed them, they emailed me right back, saying it's on its way. So it took about 3 weeks. So give it 3 weeks. The finish is awesome. I like it. I went the cheap route. I wanted American racing headers, but hey, you do you, boo. All right, take care.